Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new tutorial video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on your Windows 10. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Chrome browser here, and here just type Cisco Network Academy, click it, and this is their official website, Net Academy. Just click this option here, Cisco Network Academy, and this will bring you to this to their official website, and scroll down, and here you can see popular online courses. You can find this course here, getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Just click it, and after that you can either change the language from English to Spanish, France, and Ukraine as you like, but I'm gonna download it in English. And after that, just click get started. And here, first of all, you have to create an account here. If you don't have any account, just select I don't have any account and sign up. And here just give your country, your state, birthday, and your email address, and continue. But I already have an account, so I don't need a new one. So after connecting your account to this website, this will bring you to this page, and here you can see the resume course option. Just click it here. And after that, you can see this page, download Cisco Packet Tracer, and here there is a link to download this. Just click this link here, and then scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the Cisco Packet Tracer version for different operating system like Mac OS, Ubuntu, and Windows. As we're downloading it for Windows, just click the Windows 64-bit, and after that your download will automatically start it. But I previously downloaded this file, so I don't need to download it again. I'm gonna stop it and go to my previous version. And to install it, I have to simply double click it here and just select run, select yes, and select I accept the agreement, and click next. Click next again, click next, and select create a quick launch shortcut. Click next, install, and it will take a couple of minutes to fully install this program, so you have to wait. As you can see, the installation process is completed. Just click the finish option here, and here is my Cisco Packet Tracer option. Cisco Packet Tracer. Just double click it to open, and as you can see the opening widget is here. Give it a few seconds to load for the first time. And as you can see, I successfully installed it. Just click allow access here, and my installation process is finished. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.